Welcome. Today, I'm eager to unveil some groundbreaking AI capabilities that are set to transform our approach to modern work management. Join me at our strategic transformation dashboard. Here, our journey begins, opening doors to new, innovative initiatives. Inside our Kaizen management system, we delve into efficient idea management, featuring a comprehensive Kanban board. Now at the Kanban board, let's demonstrate AI capabilities in action. Let's put AI to work. Although various pre-existing suggestions offer insights into our potential actions, we're looking for something more customized. Let's now request 3 specific, tailored activities. Now we are choosing our reference. We'll explore the AI personalized proposals. Excellent. These results are exactly what we need, showcasing how AI can effectively guide and support our teams. Weaver Lighthouse Consulting's your certified Smartsheet partner. Discover the power of Smartsheet's advanced features with us. For more information, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching and have a fantastic day.